with Kiko churning out there in the Pacific, many are once again asking, how ready are we? How ready are our homes if disaster were to strike? Joe Kuramoto takes a look at Hawaii hurricane insurance, what it covers, and what homeowners can do right now as there is a storm out there edging closer.
Hurricane insurance has been a sensitive subject since 1992 after Iniki devastated Kauai and many private insurers pulled out of the market. Today, only a handful of carriers write hurricane policies here, and most need a separate policy on top of their regular homeowners insurance.
A lot of times the hurricane can be a separate policy that needs to be purchased. There are homeowners policies that have both homeowners and hurricane insurance covered under one policy. So it is very important to you as a homeowner to understand whether your homeowner's policy covers it or not.
So what can you do right now with Kiko approaching? If you already have hurricane insurance, review your policy.
They should look for what their coverage limits are. Those specifically would be under lines A, C, and D on a policy. A would be covering your structure, C is your personal belongings, D is loss of use, which would be the coverage a carrier pays to you in the event your home is not in a livable condition.
If you don't already have hurricane insurance, chances are it's too late. Insurers typically place a moratorium once a named storm enters Hawaiian waters. But experts say there are still steps you can take. Make sure your roof is secured with hurricane clips or straps if possible. Clear gutters and trim trees around your property. And take video and photos of your home and your valuables. This will help with any insurance claim later. Whether you have insurance or not, as Kiko moves closer, officials say the time to act is now. Jill Kuramoto, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.